Guys, so we're here today with Tanner, who is the
founder of SkateView Action Camera Mounts.
I can't believe that you even knew what to say and I did that. That was incredible. SkateView Action Camera Mounts, who makes action camera mounts for the bottom of a skateboard. So this hole right here, there's like actual camera that goes right there. You screw it on the board and you film with the bottom of the skateboard. It's the skateboard's view. Get it? Skate view. And you were telling me that you learned how to skate from Skateboarding Made Simple.
I did.
I wanted to know, when you first started, did you really first start with Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1?
So originally I just went out to my garage and I was like, okay, I'm gonna try to learn how to skate. I've been skating since I was 6 years old, but I didn't know how to do it, so I quit.
And you're how old now?
I'm 15.
15, okay.
So I was in my garage, I'm like, man, I really need to learn how to skate. So I'm like, I wanna learn how to ollie right now. And I watched your video about how to ollie the fastest way tutorial, and you were talking about how if you had to ollie in one day, these were the steps to do. So then you did the whole thing where you showed how to pop, showed how to like put your foot out the board,
Right.
showed all the different steps, and then eventually I got Skateboarding Made Simple, and then just went through all the practice steps, and yeah.
But now you can do like a lot of tricks. So did you do Skateboarding Made Simple 1 and then do Skateboarding Made Simple 5, which is intermediate? Or did you just learn all the basics really well and then build from there?
So first I did Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1, then I actually did Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 4 with the park basics, and then I bought the Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 5 with the intermediate tricks, and then I learned all of those.
So you could do all of those, but and not the advanced ones. So Volume 6 is advanced tricks.
I have done some of the advanced ones. I haven't gotten to volume yet though.
You know what's funny? Skateboarding Made Simple 6, I've never landed all of those tricks.
And for Volume 5, I've landed all of them, but I don't do all of them anymore. Like I landed inward heel flips and then I'm like, nope, I'm done. I don't like
inward
how they
heel
feel.
flips. I got those all day. What I think we should do with this video, because I want to see you skateboard. I want to see all the tricks that you learned specifically from Skateboarding Made Simple. I'm just going to continuously plug that because it does help kids learn how to skateboard. And I do want you guys specifically to learn how to skateboard. Now you're going to do all of the Skateboarding Made Simple tricks.
Volume 1 first?
Volume 1 first. So hit record and let's do it. And Lance will wear his Dennis Seamuff sweater. Better than Lance and me and Fetty.
Nah.
So now you're gonna go into intermediate tricks?
I guess so.
Lay it on us. So where are we at?
We are at inward heel flip.
Wow, I got the best inward heel flip in the biz.
Last trick is the tray flip. Missed the first one.
Boom, well played.
Thank you.
You killed it. So what now?
I don't know, just random tricks I guess?
Random tricks, switch tricks, whatever you got. Park tricks,
Alright.
any obstacle. And then I think that you should challenge Fetty to a game of skate.
Let's see. I'm gonna do some practice steps because I don't know how to do Smiths very well, so I'm a little bit scared, but I'm gonna do it anyway. That was the weirdest way. I was like this. Today I learned as well. Never done that.
First try! All right, I didn't want to cut you off. That was very well done.
Thank you.
But Fetty was like, I got to go to my grandma's house and hook up her DVD player. And I was like, maybe you could play him in a game of skate first.
All right.
Winner takes all. Boom. I thought that was his weakness. His weakness became a strength. Shouldn't have let Fetty warm up.
Go to your grandma's house already.
Ollie north. Rebate. Good to go. Gabe Cruz, where's Gabe Cruz when you need him? Fire back. You had it. He had it, he lost it, this close. Fetty says it's good, okay, we'll let it go. You got the best hard flips, but he can't frontside flip for nobody knows why. Just no explanation. Trying to show his butt too much. He would have landed it if it wasn't for the box in the way. You got that. That's why he wasn't landing it before, because he was popping it. Fetty knows all the dirty tricks. Wow, Fetty's hardest trick. We're on the ropes here, people. The decisions on the next two tricks will make or break the tournament. Just pressure flip and make it look like your heel win. I'm judging this. What are you thinking? Fetty was not happy. He was like, I'm going for the throat now. That's it. Nollie flip. T to T. If he lands this, it is over. No pressure, no big deal. Just beating Fetty Potter. Fetty literally invented that trick. Fetty, do it. All day.
Okay.
And all night.
Hold up. I did a sketchy trick, so.
He's trying to play all like nice about it. Okay, okay. This is a 540 flip. It's not a big deal.
He pretty much won, so I mean.
It is the first game of skate ever in the history of game of skate where you both won. You guys both killed it, you crushed it, you destroyed it. That was like the weirdest handshake ever. But well done for making that work.
Maybe I learned frontside flips.
He learned to skateboard with Skateboarding Made Simple. That's pretty good, right?
Yeah.
So really, if you learn to skate with Skateboarding Made Simple, you could beat Kelly in a game of skate, like anytime. Just whenever you want to beat him, just go ahead and beat him.
Yep.
Thank you for coming out. That was really, really fun.
And having me.
Yeah.
You guys are both rad. And then Kelly is there.
I'm gonna do a frontside flip.
And then I'll back him with the straight rig.
Thank you very much for your continued help and support. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. All your views are appreciated. We love you every second. Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, brailleskateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.